Welcome to the extravagant world of Mansory, the German tuning house that has redefined automotive luxury and performance. When it comes to pushing the boundaries of design, exclusivity, and sheer audacity, few names command the same level of respect or controversy as Mansory. This is not your average car customization shop. Mansory is a statement, a bold declaration of individuality and excess, tailored for those who demand nothing but the best. Founded in 1989 by Kurash Mansory, this company has built a reputation for taking high-end vehicles and transforming them into rolling works of art. Specializing in ultra-luxury and high-performance brands like Ferrari, Lamborghini, Rolls-Royce, and Bugatti, Mansory has elevated car tuning to an entirely new level. Their creations are instantly recognizable thanks to aggressive aerodynamic enhancements, signature carbon fiber designs, and opulent interiors that leave no surface untouched. Whether it's a heavily modified Lamborghini Aventador with a striking wide-body kit or a Rolls-Royce dripping in gold accents, Mansory's signature touch is unmistakable. One of the defining characteristics of Mansory is their unwavering commitment to craftsmanship. Unlike mass-produced luxury cars that already offer high-end features, Mansory takes it a step further by creating truly bespoke automobiles. Every modification is handcrafted, ensuring that no two vehicles are exactly alike. Their custom carbon fiber work, in particular, is among the best in the industry, often featuring intricate weaves and textures that simply aren't available from standard manufacturers. This meticulous attention to detail ensures that Mansory cars aren't just visually striking, they are also engineering masterpieces. But it's not just about looks. Mansory also enhances performance, offering tuned engines that unleash even more power than the factory versions. Whether it's a Lamborghini Urus with an insane horsepower boost or a Bentley Continental GT with an entirely new aerodynamic package, Mansory ensures that their creations don't just turn heads, they leave competitors in the dust. Of course, such exclusivity comes with a price. Mansory's clientele consists of the ultra-wealthy, celebrities, and those who view their cars as more than just transportation. They see them as art, as investments, and as personal statements. Their builds often come with price tags that far exceed the original cost of the car itself, making them accessible to only the most discerning buyers. Love them or hate them, there's no denying that Mansory has carved out a niche that blends extreme luxury with jaw-dropping design, ensuring their place at the pinnacle of automotive tuning. The wildest creations. Mansory is a name that sparks instant reactions in the automotive world. Love them or hate them, there's no denying one thing: they know how to make a statement. Their approach to car customization is anything but subtle. They take some of the most expensive and exotic vehicles on the planet and push them beyond the limits of conventional design, resulting in creations that are as breathtaking as they are controversial. Take the Mansory Vivere Bugatti Veyron. The Veyron is already an icon of speed and engineering excellence, but Mansory wasn't satisfied. They gave it an ultra-aggressive carbon fiber body with sharp, angular lines that make the original look tame. The front grille, the side skirts, the massive rear wing, it's all meticulously reshaped to scream dominance. Inside, the luxury levels are turned up to 11, with custom leather, bespoke stitching, and ambient lighting that makes it feel more like a spaceship than a hypercar. Then there's the Mansory Lamborghini Urus Venitus. The Urus is already one of the most aggressive SUVs out there, but Mansory decided it needed even more attitude. The Venitus sports a completely reworked front fascia, oversized air intakes, and a gigantic wing at the rear. It's wrapped in exposed forged carbon fiber, giving it a look that's straight out of a dystopian future. The wheels, custom forged alloys that are as much a work of art as they are functional. And of course, the interior is dripping in luxury, handcrafted seats, carbon fiber trim, and Mansory's signature badging at every turn. But the transformations go deeper than just aesthetics. Every Mansory creation is a masterpiece of precision engineering. Their expert craftsmen work tirelessly to ensure every carbon fiber panel is flawlessly integrated. Every stitch is perfectly aligned, and every modification enhances both form and function. The result? Cars that don't just turn heads, they drop jaws. Whether it's a Bentley, Rolls-Royce, McLaren, or even a Mercedes G-Wagon, Mansory's philosophy remains the same: more power, more presence, and more personality. Their builds aren't for the faint of heart, and that's exactly why they're some of the most talked about cars on the planet. Beyond the exterior, Mansory isn't just about radical aesthetics. Their modifications go far beyond the exterior. Beneath the bold bodywork, these machines undergo serious performance enhancements, turning high-end luxury and supercars into absolute powerhouses. One of the key upgrades upgrades Mansory focuses on is raw power. Their tuning specialists extract every ounce of performance possible, pushing engines to their limits. Take the Mansory-tuned Ferrari F8 Tributo. The stock 710 horsepower twin-turbo V8? Not enough. Mansory boosts it past 800 horsepower, giving it an even more ferocious acceleration. The same philosophy applies to their take on the Rolls-Royce Cullinan. This ultra-luxury SUV isn't just a rolling palace. It's a beast packing over 600 horsepower, making it faster and more dynamic than any Rolls-Royce has a right to be. But it's not just about adding power. It's about how that power is delivered. Mansory utilizes lightweight carbon fiber throughout their builds, not only for looks, but for function. Replacing traditional materials with carbon fiber reduces weight, improving power-to-weight ratios and enhancing agility. Their aggressive aerodynamic kits, from massive rear wings to redesigned front splitters, are engineered for better downforce and stability at high speeds. This means sharper handling, improved cornering, and a driving experience that feels more connected to the road. And then there's the sound. Mansory's custom exhaust systems give their cars an unmistakable roar, deep, aggressive, and full of character. Paired with tuned suspension and upgraded braking systems, these modifications create an experience that's not just fast, but exhilarating. Mansory doesn't just modify cars, they transform them into machines that look, feel, and perform like nothing else on the road. It's luxury meets performance with no compromises. A glimpse into the price tag. Owning a Mansory creation isn't just about having a custom car, it's about making a statement. And that kind of exclusivity comes at a price. Mansory's upgrades don't just cost tens of thousands. They often run into the hundreds of thousands, or even millions, depending on the build. Take the Mansory Bugatti Chiron Centuria. The base Chiron already costs around $3 million, but after Mansory works its magic, that price skyrockets. A full Mansory transformation can easily add another million to the price tag, making it one of the most expensive customized supercars on the planet. Even their modified SUVs, like the Mansory Rolls-Royce Cullinan or Lamborghini Urus Venatus, can push well beyond the $1 million mark when fully spec'd. So, who buys these wildly extravagant machines? Mansory's clientele consists of the ultra-wealthy billionaires, celebrities, royal families, and high-profile business moguls who want their cars to stand out in a crowd. These are individuals who don't just want luxury, they want something no one else has. Whether it's a one-of-one color scheme, personalized badging, or custom interiors tailored to their exact specifications, every Mansory build is as unique as its owner. Despite the controversy surrounding their designs, there's no denying Mansory's impact on the automotive world. They push the limits of what's possible, blending extreme luxury with mind-blowing performance. Whether you love their creations or think they're too over the top, one thing's certain: Mansory cars will always turn heads. And for their exclusive clientele, that's exactly the point. The legacy of Mansory. Mansory has carved out an unmatched legacy in the automotive world. Known for their bold transformations and sky-high price tags, they've become the ultimate symbol of automotive luxury and exclusivity. Their cars aren't just vehicles, they're works of art, each one a testament to the limitless possibilities of design and engineering. But their impact goes beyond just creating flashy, high-performance machines. Mansory has inspired an entire generation of custom tuners to think bigger and bolder. Their audacious approach to car modifications has sparked a conversation about the future of automotive design, one where boundaries are constantly being pushed and the definition of luxury is continually evolving. From their use of cutting-edge materials like carbon fiber to their focus on performance enhancements, Mansory has shown the world what's possible when there are no limits. They've redefined what it means to own a bespoke car, and in doing so, they've set a new standard for luxury, craftsmanship, and exclusivity. Mansory's creations might not be for everyone, but they've forever changed the automotive landscape. Their commitment to pushing the limits of engineering and design ensures that their legacy will endure for years to come. For those who crave the ultimate in luxury and performance, Mansory will always be the name to remember. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into the world of Mansory, where luxury meets extreme engineering. From their outlandish creations to their mind-blowing performance upgrades, Mansory continues to redefine what's possible in the automotive world. Whether you love them or think they're too over the top, you can't deny the impact they've had on the industry. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content on the most iconic cars and custom builds in the world. Drop a comment below below. What's your favorite Mansory creation? Or do you think they've taken things too far? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. That treats read is my son Bon San.